We'll guide you through how to use Calendly for your team to streamline scheduling and improve productivity. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Calendly website. Log into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard to start setting up Calendly for your team. Click on the Event Types tab. Here, you can create a new event type by clicking the All New Event Type button. This is where you define the kind of meetings you want to schedule. You can select one-on-one meetings or group events depending on your needs. Next, customize the event by giving it a name and description. This will help your team and clients understand what the meeting is about. Adjust the duration of the event to fit your typical meeting length, and set your availability to ensure meetings can only be scheduled at times that work for you. It's important to integrate your calendar by clicking on integrations and selecting your preferred calendar app like Google Calendar or Outlook. This allows Calendly to automatically check your availability and prevent double bookings. Now, to set up a team page, go to Teams in the sidebar and click New Team. Add members by entering their email addresses and assigning roles. You might want to set roles to manage permissions effectively. Once your team is set up, you can share your scheduling link with clients or colleagues by copying it from the Share Your Link section. This link allows others to book time with you or your team based on your predefined settings. Remember to regularly check your events and availability settings to ensure everything is up to date. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.